Okay, so we are on, and we are on Insta Live, and we are on Facebook. How does it get any better than this? And what else is possible? So the topic today is the 11th January 2026. It's our second call, right, of this month. Of this year for that matter? How does it get any better than this? So today the topic is convergence of possibilities. And everything that brings up or lets down, or any confusion or any doubt, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, bad, basis, questions, and beyond. So what is convergence of possibilities? I was looking at the dictionary meaning of it. It was like it's an act of converging, like moving forward, moving towards union or uniformity, like coordinated movement of something together. Like two or more things come together to form a whole, you know. It said that the prefix is the meaning in from the prefix, the meaning is together, moving together, or becoming similar. It could be an idea, it could be things, and come together. So, what do you have in your awareness about what convergence is?
Yeah, I brought up this topic basically because I saw the convergence of possibilities gift calls given by Dane. So,
So, what did you
so
get? What did you get from that gift call?
I understood that, there's a lot of chaos uh, in the environment, and then we have to include, as you said, we have to include all possible elements, like even the animals, birds, and he included the snake when he was giving that SOP. But I didn't understand really what he was saying.
Anybody else? Thank you so much, Revati. Anybody else? Anybody else wants to say anything about convergence? Thanks to Revati for choosing this. So Gary was, I think, talking about, I also listened to those calls. And
Yeah.
Gary was talking about, let's move our lives toward greater possibilities.
Okay.
है ना?
Mm-hmm.
So is anyone here not willing to move to the greater possibilities? And how do you move to greater possibilities? That's a brilliant thing to look at. If you choose the presence, if you choose the awareness, every choice you make is from the awareness and from being present in it, and not from anything of your own interest, but for the good of all, would that be convergence of possibilities? It's not about me, it's about us. Gary was talking about some book which is Unpeace, The Age of Unpeace. Please, if you can get hold of it, do read it. Because he was saying that after the World War II, there was so much of chaos, and there was so much of destruction, and there was this Holocaust there at that time. And the world at that moment got together, or everybody just were aware that no more of these wars, no more of this Holocaust. Usually, when there is war, what do you people get? Why is this? What if the world was one? What if there was no war? Don't we all get that? Do
Yes.
we really? Do you, or we like, oh, war is good, it should happen?
No, no. Nobody wishes.
So, even after so much of destruction that went on in World War II, for a while it might have changed in people's thoughts. Like, take COVID. When there was COVID, my God, there was peace, there was, the sky was blue, there was, you could breathe well, everybody was getting out of their anxiety and they were living. And then we all thought that let's live like this only. But suddenly, what happens? What's going on in the world right now?
There was a point of time when we thought we can never get back to the normal, It was so intense. The
But
COVID was so
wasn't
intense.
that, otherwise, if the people who didn't have a COVID, and otherwise in the homes and everything, people did so much greater in those times. The atmosphere was
Yes.
so much peace. And then what happened? What is happening now? What are we getting? I mean, there's a lot of division, there's a lot of separation, a lot of war. Again, countries here going on at the moment. We forget so easily.
We
Convergence.
forget the gift of life that we
Sorry,
got back.
sorry.
We forget the gift of life that we got
Yeah.
back after COVID.
Exactly, exactly. We forget convergence is what we thought we are going to have, but it didn't work. Old system comes back because we are so entrained, because we are not aware, because we are not conscious, because we are not making our choices from being us, oneness. There, even though every country is looking for convergence of possibilities between East and West, between the countries, if we are really, really willing to change, if we are really willing to look at a greater world, if we are really looking to have uh, possibilities and greater ease, joy, glory on the planet, we need to be committed. We need to be committed to the present, to the awareness, and to function from making choices that work for all. If you want to change the world and make the world a better place for our next generation, are we really doing, are we really going towards that? Or we are still going back to where we left? Look at the climate, look at the climate change. Global warming. We are still cutting our trees, we are still doing the same thing. And we are still denying it, and we are still putting it on the crop burning or the patakas. People who want to fireworks, then they will blame the others. People who want the cars, they look at every house in Chandigarh has about 6 to 7 cars. It's a smaller city, it's a beautiful place, it's close, it's in a valley. The pollution level should be less, but no, it's going up. Look at the pharmacy. Look at the pharmaceutical companies. Gary talked about that also. He was saying we have more commercials about pharmaceutical stuff telling you you should have this. They also tell you it'll do you harm, it will in the long run, but take it. Don't worry about that. So where do we get the intelligence? This is the line he used. Where do we get the intelligence? Goodness sake, where do we get the intelligence that takes us out of this place of believing these doctors, these medicines, instead of being aware of what we know? We never even bother to ask ourselves. When you take medicine and put whatever you put in your mouth, is it ease? Talking about food, words coming out of your mouth, your day to day life, everything that you say or do or be, is it becoming, is it giving you ease? Is your life becoming full and ease and joy? Or are you just planning and plotting and seeing what's right, what's wrong, or your pros and cons, and you're still in that, stuck in that rather than ask a question? Hey, what will this create? If I was choosing this, what would this create? And what do I need to choose? If I was being me, what would I choose? It's a different way of looking at your life, reality. This reality is energy, space, consciousness. And he talked a lot about the meshed reality. Matter, energy, space, and time. Matter and time is what we live by. Those are the two things that don't exist in the reality that he talks about. Non-contextual reality. So I took down the clearings from that call. So I will, for the good of all, speak about them. So what reality are you avoiding to eliminate the convergence of possibilities as a source of for changing the world that you could truly be? And everything that brings up, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, PUD, all,
Yes.
100 shots, boys, bad, BCs, Christians, and beyond. So what reality are you avoiding to eliminate the convergence of possibilities as the source for changing the world that you could truly be? Everything that is, everything that brings up or lets down, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, PUD, all, 100 shots, boys, bad, BCs, Christians, and beyond.
Is this available?
It's on those calls that we've
Okay.
given free to everybody.
Yeah. Is okay.
And of course, there is, he had, Dane has made the clearing loop, which also I put on the group. You can run that loop.
Is it? I didn't see
I
actually.
put all this on the group.
Please put it up.
Even when everybody has received those, personally, everybody in their box will have them. Email.
Okay. I'll go through it then.
Yeah, and listen to
Right.
the clearing loop he has given free.
Okay. And why did he bring the snake
He didn't.
when he was
He owns a snake, so he just brought it that the whole world is one.
okay?
Everybody is willing to contribute to you.
Mm-hmm.
The snakes or the I have snakes around. I have all kinds of and birds and animal things, little ones around. But do they're not against you. They will not kill you unless you
Mm-hmm.
want to kill them.
Okay.
So the world is you. Everybody is gifting and giving. Each plant is gifting something to you. Each bird is gifting. Each animal is the nature as a whole is always a gift to you. Are you taking it as a gift, or are you just demanding it and not giving anything back to it? We don't
Mm.
want to know. We don't want to choose. We rather leave it to somebody else to do it. God kar raha hai calamities. People are doing it. What is our part in it?
Mm.
We don't want to be responsible for destroying the world. We are playing a part in it. The moment you're denying it, you will not be able to see it. But the moment you ask a question, hey, what contribution can I be to it, and what am I contributing to make it like this? What
Mm.
choices did I make? You pock and pod, you let go of 350,000 people who are functioning from the same point of view. You may get you free yourself and you free others. You think you have no power. You're the one, we are the one, each one of us is contributing to create the world that it is now.
Mm.
Everywhere you have made it not your responsibility, or also made it putting it on others and not being aware of it, and everything you think is just true, it's right and correct, and it cannot be changed, and there is no possible convergence of possibilities, would you now be willing to choose something different? Right, wrong, good,
Yes.
bad, awkward, all 100 shots, boys, pervades, basis, questions, and beyond. What reality are you defending in order to prove that you don't have to be the convergence of possibilities to create the convergence of change for greater you could be choosing? Everything that is, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, pervades, basis, questions, and beyond. So, what reality are you defending in order to prove that you don't have to be the convergence of possibilities to create the convergence of change for greater you could be choosing? Everything that is, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, pervades, basis, creations, and beyonds. He was also talking about his son who is
Yeah.
going through problems, and he was saying that he being aware, like we are all aware, and we are sometimes when you get pain, Gary, always we all tell in every class, we tell that who does this belong to? It's not yours. Return it to sender. He says he was talking about that he experiences what his son is going through, and it's not so much of fun. So when somebody is going through something and somebody is having pain close to you or not even close to you, I have shared many a time. There was an airport, there was one access person sitting there, and she felt a tug on her heart, and she said, oh, what happened? And then suddenly she asked a question, who does this belong to? And after a little while, the old couple sitting next to them said, how is your heart, darling? The lady asked the man, how's your heart, darling? So his heart was giving trouble and she could experience it. Don't we all need to change this reality just for ourselves? We think we will change it for others? No. We don't even realize that when we choose to change the reality, one person chooses to change the reality, you change it for everybody.
Mm.
Having a war with Peninsula makes no sense. Does it make any sense? With all these wars, all these picking up people and taking them away, does it make any sense?
No.
How are people supporting that? Is that awareness? Where do you want to draw the line? So, what energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracle, possibility, potency, power can we all be to have the convergence of possibilities as our reality for all reality, eternity? Everything doesn't allow that. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, POAS, basis, creations, and beyond. Everybody is functioning from personal dynamics. मेरा क्या फायदा? What's it's going to give it to me? Even in your family, are we functioning from the good of all? What is my start asking yourself, what is my personal dynamic? Isn't that separation from oneness? And once you're functioning from that, you are not even able to perceive. You're not even willing to perceive what would create greater for everybody. Nobody here is interested. They are all interested in what we individual can get from it. He was talking about that disaster is a natural. It's not natural. When you're not creating the right things to control and to contribute to maintaining the things that you built, you are supposed to handle. You create havoc. Yes, Vijay.
So basically, when we read Access Ka book, it says that our job is not to fix this reality. That is also one of the thing I read.
Yeah. Yeah, you're not fixing this reality. You're fixing yourself. You're not even fixing yourself. You're just saying what works for you. What doesn't work for you, you let go. Are you functioning from consciousness or are you functioning from your dynamics? This is what I want. This is what this is that one did this to me. This one that. Do you ever ask a question? What's right about this that I'm not getting? Hey, what contribution is all this to me? What's the gift in this? It's not about fixing you or fixing this reality. It's about choosing to be functioning from oneness. How much of the convergence of possibilities will eliminate the necessity of suffering on this planet? If you function from oneness, if you function from what every choice you make, what will it create? What is the possibility here? Will it eliminate suffering on the planet?
Yes.
We think suffering is necessary. Pain without gain. All these things that we've been learning since we've been growing up, they're all lies we've been told. It's a virtue to suffer. Oh, she suffered so much in her life. Somebody who's having fun and somebody who's enjoying their life and somebody who's just creating money out of the blue is a bad person on this reality. If you're suffering long and hard, you are the greatest.
After coming to Access, I have stopped thinking about suffering. That word suffering is eliminated from my life.
Exactly.
This is the
Why would an
possibility that
infinite being come here to suffer? It's such a beautiful planet. Universe created it and then made man to enjoy it.
otherwise that was at the tip of my tongue all the time.
Yeah, exactly. Everybody, especially female.
So I feel so good being in Access Consciousness that we learn so much not to be in the presence of suffering or anything like that
Yeah,
and experience it.
we need
And
to be
instead
looking
that we
at
can
it.
by
Sorry,
joy.
go for it, darling.
I said we all have to experience joy instead of suffering
Exactly.
every day.
What's the joy in this? If I choose this, will it create my life? Will it give me his joy, glory? No, bye bye. We
I feel
need to look
suffering
at
is
a
an
different possibility in every area of our lives. What do I know that other people don't know? What do we know that other people don't know? What if we would be it? We would allow the convergence of possibilities beyond our wildest desire or imagine, uh, beyond my imagination. Imagine, you can't get a word. What energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracle, possibility, power, potency can we in our bodies be to be the convergence of possibility, to be the financially convergent with possibilities without poverty, with total ease? That was also one of the clearings he gave. And everything that brings up, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, PUD, all 100 shots, boys, bad, basis, questions, and beyond. Even if we 5 minutes in a day, then it will be 10, because when you choose it, then you keep choosing it, and when you keep getting something nice about from it, that you keep choosing it again. If you start to commit to convergence of possibility, it will start to open up your world. We can have a dynamically different reality that we can create on this planet. Let's create our reality rather than following the standard reality. Everything doesn't allow that. Everything doesn't allow, there was so heavy when I said that. Everything doesn't allow you to even think beyond that that's possible. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, PUD, all 100 shots, boys, Pavad, basis, questions, and beyond.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, please go for it.
Yeah, this is regarding the marriage proposal. Okay. So
Yeah, you wrote that, but I have a party today, and since yesterday we've been little,
sorry.
and then
Yeah,
we
you
have
can answer that.
guests over. Hanji, go for
Did
it.
you read my message?
No, but because you see, you should ask questions here. See, individually, you start asking questions, then I sometimes don't have time to answer on the group. Here we have time. You can ask. Yes, go for it, Revti.
Yeah, there is this friend of mine who has a daughter, and they're looking for a proposal. Okay, so uh, they've seen the boy and everything, and each and every aspect is good. This girl is not agreeing. She's confused whether this boy is good for her or not. And she saw the boy also. She says, I didn't like him, he's not attractive, but otherwise they're well placed. So, how can I help?
You can help. How can you help?
What to?
Tell me, how can you help? Whatever you said is this reality's way. The boy is good, he's well placed, he's got money, he's got everything, and he should be a good match. Nobody's even worried about what she is getting the energy of.
So we have to leave it to
What if you
her?
told her to ask questions?
Okay. That's what I did yesterday. That's
Yeah,
what I did.
awesome. You ask her to ask, will it work? Will it contribute? Will he be good in bed? Will he provide money? Will he allow me to do what I want to do, and I allow him to do what he wants to do? These three things, if you get a yes, go for it. Will it be rewarding? Will I learn
Mm-hmm.
something? There are five things.
Mm-hmm.
Will be fun? There are a million questions that she can ask, rather
Mm-hmm.
than all the questions that we do in this reality.
Okay.
Everywhere we've been living our life from the mesh reality
Mm-hmm.
and creating this reality. Would you be willing to now change something different that will create greater for everybody?
Mhm.
Because the idea of convergence of possibilities, where all the magic is,
Mm.
and that is the door we need to open, because that is a different way of looking, this different sense of something beyond this reality, different and possible. There's this total space. Be the lower your barriers. Whenever you are something in doubt, lower your barriers, poke and pod all your points of views, become present, take deep breaths, and whatever you are asking, ask a question. Immediately you'll get clarity. It's instant. You don't even have to figure it out. Works even if you don't know why it doesn't work. It's not logical. This man doesn't work. It doesn't work. You know, your being knows. Your universe is telling you. Your body is telling you. Honor it. I told my father I was so against drinking. I used to see movies and, all those people walking, drinking, and things like happening at us. There's a lot of, and what you resist persists. I told my father, ask them if he drinks. Says he's the person uska father is his father is such a great man, and he's a teetotaler, and he's a finance commissioner, and such a good place, and their children are so doing well in. He didn't even ask, and he was an alcoholic. What does she know? That we don't even um, have a clue.
Mm.
Oh my God, it's a whole new reality which is available to us, and we won't choose it for what reason? We'll again go into he's good, he's got money, his family is good, he's tall, dark, handsome, and so that's the best person you should marry. There's somebody staying with us here. Her daughter is there in uphill somewhere, and her daughter has found somebody who's not educated, can't speak English, and she is so against her daughter and her that boy that she is fretting, gone that thin.
Mm.
Just because he's not well placed. What if he was the best one for her? Who knows? Or even if he isn't, then she has to learn that lesson, or learn, or get aware of that situation.
Mm.
How much we have gone through, could our parents do anything?
No. We don't know what is in store in our lives.
Yeah. So whatever there is, everything that is there, you just make the best of it. Your approach is, your way of looking is what creates your reality, not the things that are around, that are happening to you. Nothing happens to you.
Can I bring something?
Yes, please go for it.
Okay. On Friday, I was in horrible pain, and I couldn't, practice yoga or anything. And I got into absolute fear. I'm going on holiday. How am I going to cope with the holiday when I'm so much of pain and whatever? Not once did I ask myself, who does this belong to?
Exactly.
I went into this absolute fear. Oh, maybe I've got a kidney failure, and this is happening, and that is happening, and I probably got something going on inside my body, and I went into absolute fear. And then I went to the doctor, and she did all the checks, and there was no kidney, no nothing. And the first, I'm thinking now, I'm listening to your conversation. I'm thinking the first question I should have asked, who does this belong to, and let it go. But
Yeah.
I didn't, did I? I had to go and get a confirmation from a doctor to say there's nothing wrong with my kidneys.
Thank you for sharing that, because yesterday I got a call from somebody who said their mother was supposed to go, feels very cold in winters here, so she has another daughter in Bombay. So she had to go to her last week. And the day the flight was, before that, the whole night she was sitting in the toilet. She didn't go. So they had change the flight to a week later so that she's well. Yesterday was the week later that she had to go, and again she created that. We are so potent, we are so magical that we create things. It could be, who does this belong to? It could be, I'm scared. It could be her flight fear of going alone to Mumbai.
Boom. Yeah.
From Delhi. And so she again created that. They've again postponed it. Now her daughter is coming from Bombay to take her there. How potent is she?
Mm.
So is there anything else? What is you after you ask, who does this belong to? It's fine. Okay, good. If it isn't still, then what am I creating this for? Is it something there that I don't want to do or be or have or create? Is it the fear of going for a holiday? What I get from you is that you've always wanted to go for a holiday.
Yes, and I'm not only going for a
And
holiday.
now that it is happening, that you have so many unsolved fears inside.
Yes. Is my body going to be able to do this? I always snorkel.
Can I stop you for a minute? Can I stop you for a minute? So even if it is, you don't know what it is, just say everything that is. Everything that I am creating, not anybody else is creating, everything that I am creating, that I don't even know of, I'm willing to let it go.
Yes.
There is an energy there. That energy is opening up something for you that doesn't have words. You don't have words for it. Just say yes. I'm doing it, no matter what. And everything that does stops me from it, everything that I am creating it, everywhere that I have got points of view that I don't even know, and there's no logic there, I'm willing to let it go.
Yes.
You don't even have to wonder what it is. You don't even have to find out what it is. If there's something showing up, you may not have any idea, but you're the one who's creating it. You're the one who can choose to uncreate it. We have been trained. Whatever we are doing, we have been trained to do that for trillions of lifetimes. We have lived in this meshed reality. There is this cloud, the fog that doesn't allow us to go beyond it. Our parents have lived in that fog. He also talked about that in the call, and we have lived with that. And that's all energetic. We don't have to look at everything and understand it, guys. Any aspect of life that doesn't work for you, choose different. Rather than converging with that reality, converge with what else is possible. This reality doesn't allow you to believe in miracles. That you are a miracle, that you can access miracle, that is who you are. You are it. He was also talking about, aren't you bored with this reality? Why would you keep choosing something that is not fun?
Mm.
When there is something different available. And we know it now. In being in Access, we know there is something like Revati said. She knows it's different and she can choose it. Don't have to understand it.
Now I feel ashamed also to say suffering.
Exactly. Why would an infinite being suffer? So all the trifold sequencing system and Mobius strip, keeping that loop continuously, and every way that creates PTSD from every aspect of this reality, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good,
Yes.
bad, all 100 shots, boys, Pavaz, basis questions, and beyond. Please get your bars run. Please get your bars run at least once or twice a week. I would say every day, but twice is okay.
I think it is a need.
It's like eating. It's like getting the energy. It's like taking a bath. What energy, space, consciousness can you and your body be to actualize the convergence of possibilities to create a reality of magic? We truly be. Everything doesn't allow that. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop,
Yes.
100 shots, boys, Pavad, basis questions, and beyond. And in emergency, have you noticed? You are able to do so much. You are able to create magic and you're able to manage stuff like no man's business. Why only in emergency? Why not every time? Because you have the miraculous capacities. You use it only in emergency situation for what reason? That is your convergence of possibilities in emergency. It's what you are. It's your reality. The magic reality that has always been there for you. But you will allow yourself to experience it sometime not. I'm sure all of you have experienced or chosen to create magic in your life. Write them down. Say, what would it take for me to have these always? the ninth tranny that I truly am. Claim, own, and acknowledge it, please. We want to be more pathetic. People would come and, poor me, rather than, hey, you're amazing. No, this happened. This was just a situation. This is a coincidence. No, you are a magical being. I am bored with living this reality. Every time I'm choosing to look at something different. What else can show up in my life? So own up if you are bored with that reality too. This reality. And no more suffering, guys. And that is also a lie he was talking about, that we all say in order to know joy, you have to know sadness. That's a lie. You're an infinite being. You know everything. When some miracle happens, then everybody around, when the children do something different or something magical, they are rebuked. They're told, oh, it's a coincidence. You didn't create it. Is that capacity for ours is taken away when we are growing up. Now, please give that up. Step it up now. And have a reality of magic instead of happening. Nothing happens. You create it. Everything you've done to avoid having the reality of magic, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong,
Yes.
talk about all
Yes.
100 shots, boys, poets, bases, questions, and beyond. Everything you've done to buy this reality. Even when you're bored with this reality and you think there is nothing beyond that, what about asking a question and knowing that there are possibilities? Everywhere you've lived, you're in this drama, and you think this is it, and there is nothing else beyond that. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate that and ask for what else is possible? Vijay, you still have a question?
Yeah, I just wanted to share something.
Please go
So
for it.
this my mind like all pick very, I mean, from many years programmed like picking all the people and thinking about them, how they abused me and how they insulted me. That is so much into it. Today morning, when this cycle was going on, I asked my body, can we choose 5 people? We can think about them and we would like to have duplicate their reality with consciousness attached. And I could not, I just found one because my mind and so occupied in all these people that I could not even find out 5 people with
No, but
whom.
amazing you found one. When I came into Access, they told me, who are you grateful for? I couldn't find a single one. Because you see, what's going on here has to match what's going on here. Nothing else can come into your world. If you think the whole world is fucking you up, yes, you will not find anybody who's not fucking you up. The moment you lower your barriers, the moment you're willing to see the miraculous being that you are, but everywhere, any of you who have a point of view that miracles are accidents, they just happen, would you be willing to be truthful to yourself, stop telling yourself lies, and be kind to yourself? Starting now, Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, Pavad, basis, questions, and beyond.
Yes.
So everywhere you rather live in this reality, this mess reality, than your reality that is miraculous, where anything is possible, would you be willing to choose that now, please? Which is available to you. Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, Pavad, basis, questions, and beyond. And you know, it's amazing that when we choose something greater, we have to give up that notion, that entrainment of I am nothing, I am less, I am not enough, I am wrong. All these things you will have to throw them out to choose something, to show yourself to be who you are. And that is the toughest thing. So, how many of you have to give up being a lesser component and become a magnificent component instead? Are you willing? Are you willing to
Yes.
do that now, please? No
Yes.
matter what. Even pocking and podding your bloody points of views. Everywhere you are being a boulder in your reality and not choosing greater. Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, 100 shots, boys, Pavad, basis, questions, and beyond. And he was talking about snake, Revati. He was saying that all animals are 9 trannies. All nature is 9 trannies. All you are 9 trannies. But you have forgotten that. And you cannot transmigrate, and you will not allow yourself to He also gave an example where Dane was going to have an accident and Gary said no, and it didn't happen. It was just the horses that he threw himself off in detail in one of the calls there is, but horse saved him, the nature saved him, and his 9 tranny capacities saved him. He was saying that the snake came out of the cage on its own. For 3 days we couldn't find him because he was roaming around in the house. If he has that capacities, you too have that capacities. The snake does not have any point of view. I can't. You have a point of view. You can't. The animals we train and tame have point of view that they can't. When you tie a small elephant to a small hook or something, when they are that big, they're so powerful, they can throw that thing, but then in their mind it is that they can't do it. They will not run away from the circus. So what do you have in your mind that is telling you that you are not enough, that you are wrong, that you have trained and entrained yourself with, told yourself lies and been unkind to yourself, is now the time to choose something different? No, nobody wants to say yes. Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, Pavad, basis, questions, and beyond. They're still wondering, is it even possible? You are magical beings on planet. You got all the capacities and abilities and the magic that you were sent with. Where have you thrown it? Bring it back. And then there's one thing very beautiful she said. I will want to end it with that. He said, I asked the snake, what can I be that she is also? So, what can you be that nature is also? What can you be that that person who's excelling is also? Somebody who's making lots and lots of money, what can I be that that person is also? It's just an energy, it's just receiving it. There is a whole universe available to you. What are you not willing to be and choose? When you ask, what can I be that that person is? What can I be that nature is? What can I be that whoever, that cook, that person who has success, that person who is so knowledgeable? Because you too have it. What Gary has, what can I be that Gary has also? What can I be that Dane has also? That I have not recognized. It's there. He even said that what can you be that the snake has it also? You too ask also, he said. And then that whatever who you asking will show you, the universe will show you what you can do too. Gary didn't like these snakes and reptiles and things like that. So he said he's gone easier with that. And I can say, I didn't know these words, but I can say that people, starting with me, I never liked dogs. People come to my house, and many of them have told me that that fear has gone from us of dogs coming to your house. Your dogs have made us. So isn't that the same as what do I have? What was it? What was that word? Yeah, I just suddenly just vanished. What do I have? What does she have?
What can I be?
be? What can I be that she is also? And so many people have mentioned that, oh, I have stopped being fearful of animals, especially dogs, by just coming to your house. It's just energy, guys. It's nothing else. You can be anything and anybody. So, the new beginning, new year, resolution, commitment to yourself, saying yes to everything doesn't mean saying yes to the energy of yes, is not rejection, not giving it away, but being an allowance of it. Not becoming a doormat, not somebody. You get what I'm saying? The energy of yes? Anybody here who doesn't get the energy of yes? Yes is that
And
everything is. Yes is that everything is. Okay, now what is right about this? What's the gift in this? What can I be? Rather than rejecting outright or making it or resent it or resist it or react to it. Can we do that for this year? Okay, let's do it for one moment at a time. Remind yourself of that, and yet your reality will change.
Can I say something?
Yes, please go for it.
Um, my garden was like magic, and the flowers were all blooming and everything. And every night I'm losing one plant at a time because there's a black beetle that's coming and eating all the flowers. And then the other day I put something that was, it wasn't hurting everything. It was like okay for animals and stuff. So, and then I said, oh, next will that plant that was absolutely beautiful. And I said, and that next day you'll look at that plant, it'll be gone again. And exactly that happened. The plant was gone. The be- beetle came and chewed it all up. And I've been doing clearings. What will it take for the beetle to leave my garden? But
Yeah, okay,
that is not happening. But you see that but came in there.
yeah. So, what's right about this you're not getting? And what is it that you need to do? How about talking? There could be, you could talk to those guys and say, hey, these are beautiful things. I wouldn't like them to be destroyed. Can we do something else? Would you like to give you something else that you leave these, or could you go somewhere else and see what you get? What do they eat? Can you keep it on one side? Or you can ask them to go, they will go also. I have a new uh, rug which Ina gave me. It's a Kashmir embroidery, which is very, 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 very expensive. And my dog wants to sit on it. Because he appreciates that too. It's beautiful. He wants to sit on it. But first I was telling, go, and now I'm telling in this beautifies our house. It looks so beautiful. It's so nice. Shouldn't we keep it well? Can you choose something else? Can you go somewhere else and sit? He's not been sitting there since quite some time.
Wow, that's good. Thank you.
Yeah, and when I came here, I have shared with these people many a time. There used to be frogs in my house, and I was panic, and I would look into the Google it out, how to get rid of them and things like that. And they said they are lucky, but you throw salt. My salt, I don't know how much salt I threw on the ground for them, but they would hide. They would find in between the carpets, everywhere they were. And in the morning, I would get up, there would be poo everywhere. And then I went, hey, I am in Access. What can I do? I told them, listen, if you show up, I will show you the way out. This is my house. I'm sorry I came and raided your house, but now it's mine. The whole garden is yours. You can be anywhere. I will not do anything to you. But this area inside, you can't be here. If I see you, I will show you the way out. But if I don't see you and you hide somewhere, I'll kill you. In one day, Betty, in one day, I took out 17 frogs from my house,
Uh-huh.
and I don't have them after that ever. You think
Wow.
you think those molecules you can talk to plants, molecules you can't talk to molecules. We are all same molecules, guys.
Magic. Thank you.
Yeah, I have peacocks coming to my house, and they were eating my vegetables all the time. They were eating my vegetables, and I was left with nothing. I started talking to them. Said, you got so much of other place to go to. Why would you just spoil this? This is my house, and they are not coming to eat them anymore. Just give me 1 minute. I have to take the dog out. Okay, bye. You dare do this to me? Oh, he went and sat on his bed instead of just talking to me. See, the guys talk. It's his food time, and I haven't given him food today. My maid there's no help. So that is why he came. What are you doing? Sitting here, it's 9 o'clock. Give me food. They talk.
Okay.
They talk if we listen.
Yes, they do.
Yeah. So I think it's 9:06.
Thank you so much.
A
Thank
party
you.
today. I hope it goes. Can you
Enjoy it.
Can you give us the energy? We have a bonfire. We're celebrating Lodi 2 days earlier. So can you give me the energy for the party today, please?
Yes, why not? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2,
All
3.
right.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2,
Thank you,
3.
everybody. Komal, Sandhya.
Happy
Thank
Lodi
you
to
so
you.
much.
Thank
Happy
you for
Lodi to everyone.
everything, Kamal.
Thank you, darling.
It's a pleasure always to be with you.
Thank you. Come to Chandigarh. All guys,
Yeah,
please
sure.
invited.
I
Everyone.
will
Wow,
definitely. I
that's a
love to
beautiful
come and spend
energy.
some time with
Please,
you.
please, anytime.
Yes,
You're
yes,
welcome.
yes,
Come.
yes.
I love to have you
100%.
guys over.
100%.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And there is just a flight. How about coming today? We have a Lodi function here.
Oh,
We have
how
a swap. We start at 4. We do swap. And after swap, we carry on with
Lodi.
the Lodi.
Wow. How can it get better than this?
Yeah,
Very
come.
good.
Come take, people from Delhi can take a Shatabdi. It just takes 3 hours. And people
Yes.
from Bombay and Hyderabad or anywhere else can take a flight. Yeah,
No, I
come.
just take 3 hours, same time.
Give yourself a holiday. Come.
Yes, I will. I will. Sure.
Thank you for your
Thank
invitation.
you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Anytime.
We are
Just
there
give me a call
energetically
and
with
come.
you.
Come
Yes.
today.
Thank you.
Devi, come today. Komal, come today.
Let's see how the energy takes us.
Okay. Let me know.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye,
Thank
everybody.
you.
Are happy,
I
then you
hope,
must
I, hope
I'm-
I did justice to convergence of possibilities.
More than
Yes.
justice. Thank you.
more than just.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.